Hey, Mr. Edgar. This is Denisha Wiggins with my company, Sell Connect Marketing. And I just want to start off by saying thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you what I could possibly do for your business, marketing wise. And this is pretty much a video analysis of your website and what I would do for you to help you gain more clients and help beat your competition. Um, Before we get started, I do want to applaud you and say that I love that you guys have your own work here on your website. That's really great so that people can see what you have done with other lawns in the city. So I definitely want to applaud you guys for having your work posted on here. All right, we're going to jump right in. So the three things that I want to talk to you and teach you about is content, backlinks, and citations. Okay. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. So generally, Google likes to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, right? And the testimonials here, the reviews, they don't count as words on a home page because it's not a description of what's going on here. So I'm not even going to put anything into my word counter here. So far you have zero. Well, you have the title, of course. Those are a couple of words. So let's say you have about 10 words on your home page, and generally Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on a home page describing what you do, describing what you can do for companies, where you're located, and things like that. And that just gives Google a lot of things to search for on the internet. So I want to show you your competition, okay? You guys are lawn care and home improvement service. So on the lawn care side, if I type into Google lawn care Winston-Salem, your competition, these are all directories. Oops, I did not mean to click on that. These are all directories. Okay, none of these are local businesses. They're all directories. So the very first local business is here on the second page. These are ads, so they're not counting. Is these guys here, Yards by Us. These are a local Winston-Salem business. So these guys are your competition. We're trying to beat them. Okay. So Yards by Us, you see on their page they have information about what they do. That you can schedule a service with them, where they're located, what service areas, things like that. So let's just Control All, copy. And I'm going to put them into here just to see how many words they have. They have 572 words. That's still very low compared to what Google generally likes to see on the first page, which could be why they're on the second page of Google instead of the first page. But yeah, what I would do for your company, for your business, is I would make sure that you guys have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your page so that you can be ranking on Google. And I would spread these photos out on your website with captions underneath each one, things like that. And I would also make sure I have your locations, like where you're serviced, and things like that. And as well with content, you want to make sure that you have keywords as well, so that Google can find you guys as authority. So basically a keyword is anything that you type into Google looking for a service, looking for a service or a product, right? So you guys give lawn care services. So in Google, if I typed in lawn care Winston-Salem, you guys don't pop up, right? You don't pop up on the first page, not on the second page. It's because you don't have this in your on your website. So you want to make sure you have keywords on your website like lawn care Winston-Salem, lawn care services in Winston-Salem, things like that, so that when you're typing it into Google, it's being searched up. Your page is getting popped up here, right? And we see here the volume is 210, which is that's how many people are searching for just this keyword into Google each month, 210. So that's 210 people you're missing out on by not being ranked here at the top. Okay. Um, so yeah, that's content. You want to make sure you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your home page, and you also want to make sure you have keywords as well. The next thing I want to talk to you about is something called backlinks. So a backlink is pretty much anywhere where you find someone's website linking back to yours. Okay, but not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, if you guys had a let's say a burger shop linking back to your page, like a burger shop website linking back to your page, that's not going to be powerful, right? It's not going to be relevant. You want to have relevant backlinks linking back to yours, saying these guys are the best lawn care service in Winston-Salem, right? So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and I pay $400 a month for this, but it's really good because I get to keep up with my competition, and I get to pretty much help my clients and get a lot of information for their websites. So here it says you guys have no backlinks. You don't have anyone else's page linking back to yours saying, hey, you know, Gonzales Home Repair Lawn Service is the best in Winston-Salem. Check them out. Here's the link, right? So you guys don't have any backlinks or referring domains. Your competition, though, which is Yards by Us, they have 60 backlinks and 21 referring domains, which means they have 60 links going to their page, linking back to theirs, and they also have 21 web pages that are saying that they're a great lawn care service. So for your business, what I would suggest and what I would do for you is I would go in and I can actually look and see what websites are saying that Yards by Us is better. So we have Owler, Womply, Top Rated Local, Contractors Up. They have a lot of good ones on here. Easy Local, that's a good one as well. Yellow Pages, that's awesome as well. So what I would do, I would go in and I would make sure that your web page, Gonzales Home Repair, is on all of these as well. Right? I would make sure your homepage is on all of these, and I would do the research and find other ones that are other websites that are powerful and that are relevant to lawn care services, and make sure your website is linking to those pages so that you can have more backlinks than your competition here, right? And you can rank higher than them. So yeah, that's pretty much backlinks. You want to have more backlinks than your competition. It's kind of like a popularity contest. And then the third thing I wanted to go over with you is called citation. So a citation is pretty much what you have on your Google Business profile. This right here is called a map pack. This is the very first thing that you see when you type in a service into Google. This is the first thing you see the service, the profiles here on the Google Map Pack. So let me just click on one. And I like that you guys are up here. Yes, yes. So let's go through here. All right, there you guys are. Perfect. So a citation is pretty much where you have your business name, the address, which I don't see on yours, and the phone number. And that's those three things together are your citations. And you want to make sure those citations are posted on different directories like Yelp, BBB, and things like that, so that your Google Business profile can get ranked higher up instead of down here, right? So basically with citations, you want to make sure you're having your citations posted on different directories to get ranked up here, right? So your competition is, this is an ad and this is an ad, so we're not going to count them, but your competition on the Google Business profile is Triad Weed Free of Winston-Salem, okay? Yep, you see they have their business name. Oh, I didn't want to go to their page. They have their business name, their address, and their phone number. They have all three of their citations up there. So this is another tool that I use. It's called White Sparks. I pay about $70 a month for this one, and pretty much it helps me get figure out what citations other businesses have so that I can keep up with the competition. So Triad Wheat for Winston-Salem. They have their citations posted on Facebook, Bing, Yelp, BBB. Yep, these are great ones. Expertise, that's an awesome one as well. And so what I would do to help you market more, I would pretty much go in and make sure your citations are posted on Facebook, Bing, and all of these here. And I would also post them on other directories, more powerful directories, so that when someone is searching up lawn care Winston-Salem, you guys are popping up first, right? You guys are popping up in the top 3, because when you're searching up a service, you don't usually scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll, right? Unless you're looking for someone particular. But if you already have options here, 1, 2, 3, boom, you know, you're just going to look at the first few ones. So you want to be ranked higher so that people can pick one of you, can pick you as an option, okay? So yeah, so again, we went over content. Remember, that's the 1,500 to 2,000 words on a page, and you also want to make sure you have keywords in there as well. We talked about backlinks. Remember, that's the Google popularity contest I was telling you about, where you have more pages linking back to yours, saying that you guys are the best lawn care service in Winston, right? And we also talked about citations. We also talked about citations, and that's having your business name, address, and phone number posted on your Google business profile into different directories, and a lot more directories, so that you can be ranked higher in the map pack here. And there's other things that help you rank in the map pack, like having more photos than your competition, having more 5 stars than your competition. And that's something I do as well. I keep up with the competition and make sure, okay, look, these people just added 3 more photos. We need to add 5 more photos. You know, each month I'm doing the research and keeping you ranked against your competition in the map pack, in the organic section here. And as well, I do things like Facebook managing, you know, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and things like that. So yeah, those are the things I wanted to go over with you, and pretty much the idea around these 3 things is that your brand, like your business, is getting found by Google, because Google is constantly searching the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google will trust you. So, which means the more you'll rank. Okay. So yeah, that's generally what I do. I hope that you guys found it helpful. If you did, reach back out to me and we can discuss more. Again, my name is Denisha Wiggins. I'm the owner of Acel Connect Marketing. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Bye. Thank you for your time.